Alright, here we are now. Third coat has gone on. Probably still going to do another one or two. Not sure yet. Looking pretty good. Not worried about the runs. They'll dry and they'll dry hard. It's not like it's on show. It's there for a purpose, and that purpose is to get the oil back as quickly as possible to the oil pan. So, there it is, looking, I believe, quite good. Alright, I have given the internals of this engine 3 coats so far, and as you can see, I really haven't used a lot. I've also bought another quart of this stuff, which I'm never going to use. So if any of you out there are in the least bit interested in doing what I've done, I'll happily sell you a quart of this stuff, and it would appear that online it goes for $45.74. How about $15 plus shipping? Just let me know. Send me a message. Alright, my new toy has arrived, my ultrasonic cleaner. Slight concern that there's a footprint on it. Let's hope the oaf that did that didn't damage it and is dead. I hate it when these parcel delivery people don't respect the job they do. Well, looks like it might have survived the monsters. All I got to do is get this out. Oh, I see. It wants to bring the lid with it. I'm sure you're all excited about this. Okay. Basket as well. Okay. Let's get this box out of the way. Don't think there's anything else in there I need. Get that out of the way. All right. Right. Digital ultrasonic cleaner. This unit must be connected to the ground. To ground. Do not disassemble this unit except for authorized serviceman. Do not touch the socket with wet hand to reduce the risk of electrocution. Do not use this unit when the tank is not to fill the water. Okay, Mr. Chinese conversion. Let's get this off. Get the basket out. Oh, look at that. That's a good size. This was the 15. I think it said 15 litre. No, something like that. Oh, they hook on the side there. I wonder if it's meant to do that. Probably not, because you want it with the lid in. All right, boys and girls. This I'm going to be using to, let me see, clean the carburetors and anything else I want to clean. But one thing I'm definitely going to try is I'm going to put a piston in here. Now it says this can be done with just water. So I will try it with just water, first of all, once I've read the instructions, which I'm sure are in Chinglish. And I'll show you the result. All right. Let's get loaded. Okay, I've filled it up with warm water, and it actually says that it's set actually at 41. It said that 50 is good, so we'll set it at 50. and we will set the timer. Well, let's do 15 minutes to start with. Now what I'm going to do is try a piston, because I'm curious as to how good it will clean it, and that is the reason I bought this large one. Actually no, I might as well put it all in at once. Hopefully it will submerge just about and get some some instructions say add some Dawn. This will help the degreasing, so I'm not going to put too much in because I would assume that it will just bubble over if I do. Alright, so lid on, and on off, that's on, and that's on. Well, a lot of people bitch about, oh, this is noisy. Not quite sure what they expect from an ultrasonic cleaner. But it's not that bad. So, in 15 minutes time, I'll show you what it's done. Alright, it has now had 15 minutes. So, let's have a look and see. Ooh, it's warm. Ooh, that's warm. Turn her over. Can't say it's got a lot off. So perhaps it just needs a bit longer. There's a lot of crap in there though. So it is obviously getting something off. I think I'm going to give this another 30 minutes. And see if it can get the rest of this crap off. So we'll see. Let's give it more time. It's already up to temperature. Maybe I should tell you what, it didn't bubble up too much, so I'm going to give it a bit more good old Dawn. Okay, that's a fair shot of Dawn. Now if this doesn't work, in other words with Dawn and water, I'm going to use some kind of degreasing solution, but I'm not sure what yet. So I know somebody did use Simple Green. I've got some other cleaner that I may well try, but we will see. So let me give this another 30 minutes. And away she goes. See you in 30 minutes. Alright, it has had 30 minutes. Let us see. Certainly the water's looking pretty gungy. Oh, it's got a lot off of that con rod. Wow. Yeah, it certainly has cleaned up that rod and the side of the piston. Now it's not perfection, but that was just washing up liquid. I'm going to try it in a minute with some degreaser and see how that gets affected. Yes. Yeah, this is looking quite reasonable. I'm not expecting super shiny, not with what these pistons have been through. Alright, I think what I will do now is I'm going to drain this out and then put in the degreaser. Alright, Back in a moment. Experiment number 2. This time I have some degreaser in there. So we'll put another piston in. And we will see what this one is like after 15 minutes. Clean, baby, clean. Not sure if the lid's necessary, but I guess it keeps everything in. Alright, see you in 15. Alright, this is 15 minutes in the solution with degreaser, and that has come out pretty darn good. Look at that. Wow. Yeah, I'm not expecting super duper shiny yiny, but my God, look at that. That's after 15 minutes. That is good. Definitely needs a degreaser. Water and washing up liquid. Waste of time, unless it's something perhaps a little more delicate. Then you might want to use washing up liquid, not a degreaser. But that's good. I tell you what I'm going to do though. I'm going to make this mixture a lot stronger and give it another 15 minutes. That is brilliant. All right. And I'm sure some of you are probably wondering what I've put in. I mean, I just happen to have this. I didn't buy it specifically for this. Purple Power Vehicle and Boat Pressure Washing Concentrate. Makes up to 20 gallons. You're meant to mix 6 ounces with a gallon. Now, I've got to figure there's a couple of gallons in there. Yeah, that's a good old dose. Let's not mess around, hey. All right. I'll see you again in another 15 minutes. All right. Next experiment. I have filled this with Purple Power. It is a great degreaser that I've used for many, many things. And I'm doing it full strength. This may be a mistake, I don't know. We will find out. I'm about to insert the next piston in there. At the moment I have the heater on and it says the temperature is 22 and I've got it set at 48, so I'm going to give it a little while to get up to temperature, and to assist in that I'll put the lid on. So once it gets up to, well, let's say 40 degrees, then I'll put the piston in and we will see what happens. I will bring you back at that point. This has just had 15 minutes in pure Purple Power. There's a big lot of froth here right above where the piston would be. I'm not putting my hand in this stuff because I did it once and it removed all the oils from my skin. Made my hand itch like hell, so give me a moment here where I try and get this baby out. It smells lovely. That, to me, looks pretty darn good. And that's 15 minutes. I think I'm going to give it another 15. Look at that, boys and girls. And what I'm also going to do is put it up the other way. Ah, shit, got my hand in it. Alright, time to wash my hands, because that shit do remove the oils from your skin. Right, this has had another 15 minutes. Let's see what we are looking at. Oh, I don't think you can ask for much better than that. That is clean. Now, yeah, it's slightly discolored, but I don't care about that. It's inside the engine. Look at that. I'll give this a rinse off now under the tap. It's cleaned all the crap out. Looking really good. Let me just rinse it off so you can see. Look at that. That is excellent. You know, it's not a carburetor, so I'm not expecting super shiny. Just look at that. That has cleaned so much of the crap off, especially on the conrod itself. That is excellent. Oh, and that feels so smooth. Apart from some crap that's stuck on there. And inside there, look at that. That is nicely clean inside, which is a plus. Alright, I'm going to do the rest of the pistons, and then I'm going to go back and do the other two that I did, which weren't done in this strength strong solution. Alright, boys and girls, hopefully you find that of interest. I am impressed with this tool. This little beastie here, it cost me $135, and then okay, I had to spend $30 on the purple power in the 5-gallon drum, which of course will be useful anyway, and I've probably only used a third of it. Just thought you would find that interesting. And again, it's a good night from me, and it's